Nurturing Young Dreams, a guide to goal setting for kids aged 5 to 10. 1. Unleashing the magic of goal setting for kids. Imagine the world through the eyes of a child aged 5 to 10. Every day is an adventure, full of boundless curiosity and budding dreams. As parents and caregivers, it's our privilege and responsibility to help these young minds channel their aspirations into actionable goals. Let's explore how we can nurture their potential through the art of goal setting. Section 2. The journey begins identifying desires. The first step in this wonderful journey is to engage your child in conversations about their dreams and interests. Ask them about things they'd like to learn, do, or improve. Whether it's a wild creative idea, a sports goal, or an educational pursuit, the possibilities are limitless. The key here is flexibility. Children's interests evolve as they grow, and our ability to adapt to their ever-changing desires is paramount. 3. Smart goals for little achievers. For children in this age group, it's essential to keep goals immediate and tangible. Introducing them to SMART goals, which stands for specific, measurable, achievable, results-focused, and time-bound, can make the process more relatable. The trick is to simplify the concepts and keep the time frames short, just a few days ahead. This approach makes abstract ideas more concrete and understandable. 4. The art of baby steps. Breaking down ambitious goals into smaller, manageable tasks is a cornerstone of guiding young children on their journey. Parents can help their kids create a step-by-step plan and a schedule to follow. Being there to provide emotional support and moments of reflection is invaluable. Each completed step becomes a building block in their confidence and self-reliance. 5. Cultivating intrinsic motivation. Instead of dangling rewards like a carrot or wielding the stick of punishment, it's more rewarding to nurture a love for hard work for its own sake. Encourage your child to choose goals that inspire them intrinsically. Goals like making new friends at school or joining a sports team can be rewarding in themselves, eliminating the need for external incentives. This approach helps children understand the satisfaction of their achievements, fostering self-motivation and a lifelong love for learning and growth. In conclusion, guiding children in setting and achieving goals is a journey of empowerment and self-discovery. By engaging them in conversations about their dreams, simplifying goals into manageable tasks, and emphasizing intrinsic motivation, we help these young dreamers unlock their full potential. This nurturing of goal-setting skills will be a beacon lighting their path towards self-confidence, problem-solving, perseverance, and a lifelong love for setting and achieving their dreams.